SmarTally Canter Edition is a desktop application that lets you quickly configure cut profiles and sets that can be produced by your canter. The dashboard, the screen we see here, is made up of buttons and navigation lines that allow you to quickly access the most frequently used features of the program. In our case, we want to open the Set screen, but we can see that it's grayed out. By following the orange lines to the left, we can see that we need to open a cut profile. Cut profiles are essentially collections of settings, products, and parameters that define what can be produced by the canter at any given time. Clicking the button opens a window which displays a list of cut profiles that we have already configured. In our case, we have two, 1 inch and 2 inch. We want to add a new set to the 2 inch cut profile, so we select it and click OK to open it. When the window closes, we can see that the buttons that were previously grayed out are now active. We can now access the products, sets, diameters and lengths for sets, and the set assignment screens. Clicking the Sets button will open a new window that will allow us to add a new set to our 2 inch cut profile. The Set screen allows you to work with the sets and products that can be produced for the selected cut profile. Sets are listed here on the left-hand side of the screen, with a graphic of their product solution on the right. Selecting one here will allow you to modify it as needed. It appears that we have a set that produces 2 2x4s and one that produces 3 2x4s. We could be a little more efficient if we created a new set that produced 2 2x4s with a 1x4 on top. We can do that by clicking the green Add Set button at the top of the screen. This created a new blank set at the bottom of the screen. To add products to the stack, we use the Add Products to Stack section. We want to add 2 2x4s and one 1x4, so we click the 2x4 button twice and the 1x4 button once. Products appear in the stack in the order that they were added. To work with them, use the panel on the left. From here, products can be removed or moved up and down. In my case, I want the 1x4 to be at the bottom of the stack, so I select it and click the Move Down button twice. All calculations for the position of the heads, tires, and saw box are made automatically based on the products you chose for the set. The set says it fits a diameter log of 6.2 inches. That sits between two of our sets here, so we'll move it up using the Move Up buttons, and we'll give it a description that matches our current naming convention. Lastly, we click Apply to save our changes. And that's it. There's just one last step that needs to be performed before these products will be produced on the canter, and that's downloading the cut profile to the PLC. To do that, click OK and go to the Download screen. Once the Download screen opens, click the Sets and Set Positions button, and then click Download to download it to the PLC. Downloading cut profiles in this way is more convenient because it allows you to work with the files offline and then download them to the PLC when you're ready.